everybody, this is Caesar with Small Engine Velocity. Hopefully my GPS is working on my GoPro. We are riding around, I am riding around with a Grom, with Puck, and we're going to go ahead and do a speed test on the feeder. This particular part of the feeder has really long stretches, and this particular direction I'm going in is with the wind, so hopefully it helps. I did hit 51 on the way here, but it was like massive wind, so hopefully it's better. Actually, I don't know why I'm in this lane. I need to get over into a different lane. Let's just stay in this lane. Fine. Going up a slight hill, and here's the downhill portion. 52, 54, 53. I'm not climbing. Oh, I'm climbing. Nothing in front of me. I'm going 52. I lost my steam. I'm going 50. You think this light will stay green? Okay, reset. What'd you get? What did you get?
53.
Yeah, that's what I got.
Yeah, you were holding 52, 53.
Yeah, I lost it when we came around the corner and that big thing of wind hit me. See, it's blowing with us. See? It's blowing with us. All I need is someone to go 55 miles per hour in front of me.
I'll do it.
Just keep an eye out on me. Battery on my phone. Last piece of the run. There's a lot of people that are going to be turning right here, so Okay, she was popping. She was popping. She was popping. She's like, I love it. All right, guys. What do you think? 57.1 net gears on a big giant straight run. What'd you get? I got 57.1, but it did that weird GPS jump. So.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
55.
Woo! Road to
57, 58, but I didn't know what you got.
Road to 55 is not a thing now. I wonder what I could have done, but that was at 10,000.
My total was 58, but I didn't know where you were.
Yeah. Well, I was starting to creep up on you. I'm like, hurry up and accelerate.
I'm like, you were right on my ass. I'm like, all right, I gotta go fast.
Yay. Alright, 5, dude. That's a record for me, by far. When are we putting met gears in your bike? It's only like, well, I bought it from Man in the Box, which is like $120. You could just go to the Honda store and buy the thing, what I got. I have all the part numbers, and buy it for cheap, probably. Alright guys, I'm just going to cruise myself in. That was awesome. Thank you for watching the speed test of the Met Geared Ruckus. Anyways, I will see everybody in the next video.